Alright, hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here, what's up? So it's going to be another one of my little videos that I don't edit. So I'm going to try to talk kind of fast and just get through everything. This is going to be everything that we got from the Michaels grab bags. I think I grabbed 2 and then my mom got 1. So this is a total of 3 grab boxes that we got. Each one's $4. There's already good stuff in it because I checked right when we left the store just to see if we need to go in and get more. So I'm just going to go box by box, and then I guess I will total up the amount of everything and put it as the title and stuff because I can't do math that fast and I just want to get through this video and I want to see what's in here. So first things first, it looks like there's a ton of Halloween stuff in these boxes, which I'm not mad at. So first box, we got some of these pumpkin little, what even are these? Tree ornaments, which is cute because I actually do one year want to make a Nightmare Before Christmas Halloween tree. Yeah. It looks like, oh, and this originally, I guess I'll tell the original prices so that I can total everything up. This original price was $8. So already the box was only $4. And then got one of these little squishy things, I guess, with the little, what is this called again? Slime. Down at the bottom. This original price was $2. Cute. Okay. And then right at the top, there's also these little bat foam pieces. They're the foam shapes. You get 30 of these. These would be cute to make garland or really just to decorate anywhere on the wall, I guess. Original price says $8 already. This is a lot. Some more of this foam stuff. So this is a foam ornament kit to make these little cute little candy corns. This, oh my gosh, original price, another $8. So there's that one. And it looks like we got another one in this box. So this is the Palm Craft Kit. Oh, it's a nice little pom-pom, which I might actually use for my planner instead of keeping it together with this. But you can make a little bat ornament. This one, original price was $3 on that one. There's just so much in this box right now. It looks like we got some of these. Oh, and these are cute. I just could not justify spending any money on these, but since I got them basically for free, I'm all for it. So this is their LED candles. These were originally priced at $10 a piece. So we got this one that says Eek, and they have the little candle down on the inside so you can light it up. It's cute and galvanized. So I got one, but I also got another one. So there's something in this one. So it looks like I got 2 in this box. So we get $10 and a $10 there, basically for free $99. And then this was sitting down inside of one. This is just the collection of the little spiders. So it's a decorative filler. This one, original price was $6 for all of these little plastic spiders in here, which is cute. I mean, if you decorate little trays and stuff, or a coffee table, or even a bar cart, it's cute for that. Or you can put it in your plants if you have a lot like me. Looks like we got another one of these foam kits because they probably didn't sell any of these. The foam ornament kit. So you can make a bat, a spider, and a cat in this one. This one, original price in the US, $8. And then I like these though because especially for me, since you guys know I do planner stuff, and I'm sorry for the mess in this house. It's just stuff we've been buying that we should be buying everywhere. But anyways, especially for me with planner stuff, you can take this stuff and use it individually. You don't necessarily have to use it for making that ornament, you know. I guess we'll take this out because it's right up front and it's covering some stuff. They put the pumpkins in here. They actually put these pumpkins in here. I don't think I got any of the really large ones that were originally $30. I don't think I got one of those. But this one was originally $20 for this pumpkin. So this is the 9-inch pumpkin. Very nice, still perfect condition pumpkin. It's just the full price of these is ridiculous. So there's that one. This little tag came off of something, off of my little lantern. I got some of these. Ooh, maybe just one of these. Yeah, I think I got just one of these little cute lantern things. This is cute to put on your like tier trays or just in a little small area like in the bathroom. But again, it has the little candle light up and it's all like battery operated and stuff on the bottom. This one, original price was $6. So I got one of those in here. Cute. I got one of the candles that I actually saw the other day and I was like, I'm still not spending my money on them because you have to store glass. But when they're basically free, I'll take it. So just a candle. It says it's color changing. So I don't understand what about it is color changing, but sure. But this was originally $10, okay? And again, this box was only $4. And then we got one of these it says inflatable wigs, but it's just an inflatable hat. So I guess that's cute or whatever. How much was this? Originally $5. Okay. We got another one of the little slimes, but this one is a little pumpkin toy on top. It's like a squeaky type toy. But original price, $2 in the US, and it's got a different color slime. Got another one of these foam build a character guys, so you can make this little monster man. Original price was $3. All the stuff they did not sell. Oh, I can actually use because I still have a pumpkin that I need to cut up. But so we got a carving pumpkin utensil thingy thing. It says 4-in-1 carving tool. I guess because it's got the other end too. But they originally wanted $2 for that. I'm seeing this. I love stickers, sticker books. How cute is that? Halloween of the Toy Story. It says mission, no treat gets left behind. These are cute little stickers for like decorating next year or even to keep to give to somebody. I don't know. Original price on here, it was $1.50 for that. And then we got, ooh, some coloring stuff. A color in pillowcase. That is so cute. And this is, oh, this would be a good gift for like a little kid because it's not even like Halloween or anything. It's just for kids. It's the safari one. So it's probably really not going to show, but it's got like that little like safari design on it. And originally $7. And then it's funny because I looked at these the other day in the store. It's the glass syringe. Oh, I didn't know these were glass. Glass syringe decor. This will be cute if you have like a bar cart, you know. Original price is $6 for that. And last thing in this box is another one of these coloring things. So this is a color in roll, so I guess it's just a full sheet. Again, this isn't like Halloween or fall. It's for like any time, so this is going to be a good gift if you have little kids to give a gift to. The original price of this was $5. So just in that one box, I do not know math, so I can't tell you how much all that stuff was worth. But we were on to box number 2, and this box is actually really good because it's got faux plants and stuff in it, so I'm excited. So first faux plant is this faux succulent right here. So cute. Original price $8, and already this box was only $4, so already $8 for that. There is another one, but this one is super big. So if that one was $8, I don't know how much this one would cost, but it's missing like the stick. So I don't know if it's somewhere in this box, and I don't know the original price for it, but it was, we're going to say at least $10 because it's bigger than the other ones. Then you get this cactus in here. It says original price is $8 for a faux cactus. Cool. And then we get some more of these pumpkin carving utensil thingies. Cool, I guess. Original price US is $3 and the box was only $4. And then we got some of the spider webby web that like is so annoying to pay for. Original price of this was $3, so technically we got it for free. Oh, we got one of these really pretty decorative, this is huge also. These ornaments with like scary houses on it. It says original price of this is $12, and this is a really nice one. Okay, don't want to break. I'm going to pull this out because it's literally already on. It looks like I got 2 more of these eek things, but I got a black one in this one. Oh, and this one says trick or treat. But these are on already for some reason, so I'm gonna turn these off. But so each of these, again, originally $10, so $20 right here. Yeah, both $10. Let's get that turned off. Obviously, they still work. Very nice. So already that's at least, what, $48 after spending only $8 so far on 2 boxes. Another pumpkin. I think they were putting these pumpkins in like every single box. This one again was originally $20. It's the 9-inch one, just blue. My mom's keeping all the pumpkins, so she'll probably paint that one. I don't think she wants blue. This box is so good. This one specifically. So we got another one of these little carving tools. It looks like it's the same one that was in the other box, originally $2. And then we got a ton of little papers. What is this? Die cut shapes. This is cute for like decorating, I guess. I don't know, but this is nice. You get a couple different colors of unicorn, and then you get a couple different colors of the rainbows. This originally though was $5, and it's got 50 pieces in there. It's a lot. I always love paper pads. If you guys don't know, now you do. I love getting these paper pads for my planner, and these are really nice ones. There's nice ones in there. This one though, original price is $5 US, right? Yeah, $5 for this paper set. Oh, it looks like we got 2 of these. So here's another one of the unicorn in the same box. Again, $5 original price. Ooh, we got these notepads. So there's 2 notepads here together. There's like the one in the back, it's this long one, and there's the teddy bear one. Original price, $5 for a ton of notepads. We got a shirt in this one. What size is this? I think it's a kid's medium. Yeah, kid's medium. So we got a shirt. And it says original price in the US is $10. And my mom made great suggestion. She's going to use these as pillows. So she's going to make pillows out with those shirts. We got another little faux succulent. I don't know the original price of this because I do not see a tag even in the box. Maybe we'll say $5, maybe. I don't know. We got some glow sticks. So this is a pendant. Is it supposed to look like a fish? I think it's a glow fish. It says original price is $2. Cute. We got another one of these little guys. Is it the same one? I think it's the same. Pumpkin carving stick thing. $2 is the original price. We got one of these. What even is this? Oh, it's a flashlight. Cute. So it's a little decorative flashlight. Original price was $5. I think it needs batteries, but that's nice. It's a cute little size to keep somewhere stored. We got another sticker book. It looks like this is a different one. So this original price was $1.50. These again are also very cute. Super cute. Stickers. Always gotta love it. We got another one of these. It's just annoying for these because like I'm not probably gonna need them, and I don't need 17 of them obviously. So again, original price though for this one was $3 for that carving set. Oh, and last thing, oh my gosh, I'm actually really excited for this because I almost bought this yesterday when I was there and stuff was 80% off. So I got it basically for free, so I'm glad I didn't buy it. But this though, originally US price was $10, and so technically it's like I got it for free today. So I'm happy about that so far. That's the 3rd box. So last box. This is a good box too. Woo. All right. First thing that's on top in here. Oh, we got 2 shirts in here. Jeez, they were just trying to get rid of stuff. But so this is a large size shirt. It just says boo on it. I'm pretty sure this is kid size. It says ladies. Huh. So this is a ladies large. Original price, again, $10. It looks like I literally got 2 of these. This is a adult medium. So there's a medium and a large, and again, $10, same shirt, very cute. There is so much in this box. We got another one of these pumpkin ornaments for the tree, pretty, and original price is $8 for those. This I'm so excited about. I literally just bought some of these last night and paid like $3 for them. So now I got another one for free. But the original price of these was $18. So I'm super happy. Got another one of those for basically free. Wow, they really loaded this box up with these guys. So we got 2 more of these. This one says boo, this one says trick or treat, but then I also got another black one that says eek on it. These are super cute to put down your stairs. If you have stairs in your house, this is gonna be so cute to line your stairs with. If you have enough. I kinda wanna go back and get more grab boxes because this is really good stuff. But anyways, we got another one of the glass syringe right here, which I remember last night when I was there and the stuff was marked down 80%. I literally wanted one of these, but I was like, I still can't justify it. But these are going to be cute on my bar cart. Original price, $6. Okay. We got some more of these like foam kits. So this one's cute though. You can make little pumpkins. And again, you don't have to hang it anywhere. You can put it in your planner, honestly. Find a way to use it in there. This, though, was original price $8 US. We got another one of the bats, so that means I get another cute little pom-pom that you can use for anything, really. And again, US price $3. It looks like here's another one with the foam kit, so you can make the cat, the bat, and a spider. And this one, again, original US price $8. Okay. We got another one of these inflatable wigs. I don't know why they call it that, but it's just a pumpkin. These look so weird. The original price US is $5 for that guy. We got the same sticker book that is the Toy Story. So it's the same one. US price $1.50. Oh, this one's different. Oh, this is for decorating your pumpkin. So this is like a pumpkin decorating accessory kit. Pumpkin deco kit is exactly what it's called. This one, original price $4. Got that. We got, I think these are, yeah, bubbles. So we got a bag full of just little bubbles, but the containers that they're sitting in are actually cute. It says original price is $2, but I feel like these weren't supposed to come in a bag together, were they? For $2? I think they were each separately supposed to be $2. I could be wrong. Got another one of these color in pillowcases, which is super cute. So now it's like you would have 2 to match. But again, original price is $7. Very, very cute. Even if you don't want to give it as a gift, there's markers in there that I guess you could use for something. And it's the same decoration too. It's the safari. And then it got this color in. Again, I think it's just a roll of paper. So this again is a good gift for a kid. This original price was $5, and it's a different one than what was in the other box. This looks like space stuff. So it's like spaceships and stuff. Very cute. That would be a really cute like kid gift. Then we got another pumpkin. We got a flat pumpkin in this one. This one, original price was $20. Very cute. So we got a few different pumpkins. And then last thing that's in here, oh, that's just like a little bag stuff. We got one more candle, which is nice. Original price of this one, ow, it's falling out. Original price, $10. So this one isn't really stuck in there. But this is cute. You can even reuse these things if you take out all the wax. So like if I just decided to take this out, you've got decoration like that. It could be a vase, whatever. So that is everything that I got from Michael's. We only spent, what's 4 times 3? $12 and got all of this stuff. So I will add everything up together because I don't know how much everything together actually adds up to original price. I'm excited about everything though, especially the fact that there was some of these succulents in here. Like, yes, please. So some of this stuff was stuff that I actually would have spent my own money on, but I got it for free. So let me know in the comments below if you guys enjoy these videos, if you guys think I should be picking up the grab bags more often, because usually I don't even like try my luck with it, and I almost didn't today. But something came over us and we were like, let's just try to get one. So yeah, got some good, cute stuff though in these, so I'm like super happy about it. Honestly, give the video a thumbs up though if you guys did enjoy it and you want to see some more of me getting these grab bags when the stuff finally gets marked down at Michael's. Let me know if you picked up any of these or if you got any amazing stuff in your grab bags too. And yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.